Greetings to all lovers of quality and stylish wristwatches. Today, I want to tell you about the Ulysse Nardin watch. Ulysse Nardin is a Swiss watch brand with over 170 years of history in the production of high-quality watches. The Locle Geneve is a classic men's watch that combines stylish design with high precision. The key features of this watch are its sophisticated and minimalistic design. The heart of this watch is the Swiss mechanical movement, which ensures the accuracy of the movement and the power reserve of 24 hours. Thanks to this mechanism, the watch works without a battery and is always ready to use. The stainless steel case is 46 mm in diameter, making it slightly larger than the average men's watch. The Ulysse Nardin Locle Geneve watch has a new elephant leather strap, which adds to the ease of use and blends beautifully with the overall design of the watch. The watch face is in excellent condition and contains indicators for hours, minutes, and seconds. The water resistance of the watch is limited by splash protection, which prevents you from diving with the watch or wearing it during water sports. However, the watch can still be used in rainy weather or while walking along the beach. Although this watch has been used before, it is in excellent condition with minor signs of wear. A well-preserved Ulysse Nardin Locle Geneve watch can be an excellent purchase for a lover of classic men's watches that combine elegance and high quality. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.